How to repost on Instagram stories. Hi everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in today's video I will be teaching you how to repost on Instagram stories. So let's begin. The very first step is to make sure first that your Instagram app is up to date. If not, please go to your App Store or your Google Play Store and then search for Instagram, and then make sure to click on that update button if it is available. Once you're done updating your Instagram app, then you may open your Instagram now. So there are actually many ways in reposting on Instagram stories. So the first one is by reposting a post to your Instagram story. So to repost a post to your Instagram story, you just simply choose that post and then click on this share button right here, and then click on add post to your story. So click on it, and then now you may click on your story and then it will be posted on your story. And another way is that whenever you were tagged on a Instagram story, so you may go to your messages and then go to mention you in their story and simply click on add to your story right here. So do take note that this will only work if you are tagged on a specific story. So now, again, you may click on your story right here, and then it will be reposted as your story now. And then, let's say for example that you can see an Instagram story like this one, and then you are really eager to repost this one. So what I would suggest is to simply take a screenshot of this story, and then um, you may go to your story section and then choose that photo on your camera roll and then post it. So now you have reposted an Instagram story of someone. So that's it. That's how you can repost on Instagram stories. So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.